Put that condom on. You ready to sit on that shit? You got.
Let's just get it over with.
Yeah, alright, let's get it over with.
Tree person.
I've been huffing, puffing fucking sealant all damn day, dude. My head can't take this right now.
Sealant.
Oh, who the fuck is Edward Puffington?
You don't want to know.
I don't want to know.
Those are the people you have to find.
I'm turning off my laptop. No more Alienware.
It's
Elbozo.
actually an MSI game.
There is no way he has a tattoo called Fight Demons! That was so edgy. No one's panicking. Everyone is just okay.
Hear them making.
I am Nerf Quarf. I'm nerfing and quarfing.
If you want.
Shut up. Shut up.
You fucking bitch, god damn it.
See, is this one of you? What the fuck? This is.
You just stopped in to say hello. you were in the area.
Elbozo.
Give me a break!
Do you like this design right here? I want to make sure you're happy with it.
It's stupid. It's
we can start a new
retarded.
one.
It's the worst thing I've ever seen. I have no idea what you're talking about.
No, you can either not be affected by that shit, or you can be affected by that shit. Either way, it's cringy if you are affected by that shit.
I just saw a
'Cause
log.
then there's like,
There are 2 logs
Then there's
just jumping in the
haters.
water. Just
I
hopping.
looked at those for like 20 minutes and I was just like,
Are they? They're still doing it.
better. Yes, they still are. They've been doing it for a while now.
no,
Hey, he made it.
he's gonna act however.
Hey.
Hey, you survived from the cannibals.
I just ran away while one of them threw shit at me the whole time. I guess he couldn't swim. And then I saw 2 bouncing logs in your river here.
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
I
yeah,
see
there
you've
are.
got decorations.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
You got what you guys should do is you should put 3 different heads next to each other and then put a sign who's getting the best head.
Who's getting the best?
No, can we actually do that? That's amazing thumbnail
I
material.
want to make a sign.
I don't know.
So who's this? What's this little motherfucker point? What the fuck? How do I drop my log?
Oh, he's kind of new.
G?
Here,
G for.
I'll
God damn it! Drop it! Alright. Oh shit! I attacked your. Is he a good guy?
Let's go, boys. Skin pouch.
Don't attack Kevin.
Unga bunga, unga bunga.
I'm gonna tell him to get. Sticks
No, tell him to get fish. Tell him to get fish. Don't tell. Around this area, he is buggy as fuck. I promise you.
Tell him to build. Stay,
No!
Take.
Tell him to get fish. Get food.
Tell him to abolish the.
I swear to God, I will literally abort you.
What?
I'm gonna order him.
Ow?
I'm gonna order him to go to the Pentagon.
You don't want to know.
A bit late, ain't it?
I will tell him to stay.
No, I will literally
just
shove
no,
him
yeah.
back into his mom's womb.
Dude, Caden, you just get the notebook and you just write "Suckies?" question mark on it, and then show it to him. And he's like, on it.
What? Does that little shit-eating gritty does every time. He's like, yeah, I can do that.
Doing the gritty. So, are you actually gonna live here or no?
I'm probably gonna play my own game, close enough so I can leech off of you, but far away enough that I can have my own fun.
Okay. Well, the reason why we're here is because it's
Because you're
the
a
most
bitch.
best defense.
Because you're
Best
a bitch.
defense.
There's a waifu in the forest. I'm gonna go breed.
I mean, all right.
Alright, let's...
Holy fuck, I can't see a goddamn... Please tell me I can...
We cannot...
Why is it purple?
Guys, this is
Turn up
what
your
happened in
gamma.
my dream. This is what caused me to fall into the hole.
Bruh.
It got,
What the
no,
fuck?
I am not kidding. I literally said in my dream it got instantly dark and I fell down the hole.
I think I'm
I have no
very
idea what I'm
sleepy, very thirsty, and very breedable, according to my debuff.
I am so.
Well,
I can't see
because you haven't fucking made... Your dumbass didn't get the fucking thermal... shit. The thermal tarp. Or a bed. Or
Yo,
for-
Game
want me to
didn't
bring a
tell me
thermal
to
tent
do
up
that.
here? I'll bring y'all a thermal tent.
Yeah, bring him a thermal tent.
Can we both use the same one?
Yes.
Yeah, you guys can cuddle. Don't worry.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
We need 25, whatever the fuck that is. I'm assuming planks? How we make plank?
By cutting the wood in half with your hatchet. You have to throw it on the ground and wait until there is a red line in the middle, kind of like that. But you have to, don't do that. Don't do that.
You live too far away from the general population for you to want to live near you.
Why?
Fuck you.
Did you catch anything, Kurt?
Get it.
Yo, bouncing logs again.
Oh God.
Where is it? Oh.
Over here towards me. I cut down a tree. Is a little close to the lake.
Ah! Ah! Ow! Am I gonna die? Okay, I need to jump in the water. I'm gonna fucking die.
My God.
Oh,
Dawn of a new day. I feel like a changed man already.
why didn't they just give her like 2 legs?
Don't look at me like that.
That's my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
My girlfriend.
What's her name? Yo, Kurt, watch
What's her
this.
name?
Kurt, watch
What's
this.
her name?
Kurt. Planned theft. Let's go. Hey, what are you goofy ass motherfuckers doing over here? Get away.
Fucking drinking some water. What is this? Tax?
I'm gobbling up flowers.
We own this place.
No, you don't. You fucking bitch.
No, you
Okay.
do. Is that what you said?
Don't. God damn it. Fuck.
Pay your taxes.
In wood. Yeah, if you don't pay your taxes, we tell your little NPC boy to collect your logs.
My God.
We'll do it right before we sleep, so overnight we'll come back to nothing.
That's great though.
Did you guys really just fucking take one of my logs?
We took multiple, don't worry.
God damn it.
I feel like 8.
Don't worry, Key. Don't lower your expectations. Raise
no,
them.
No.
In the strong words of somebody who made a song.
Hey, watch where the fuck you're hitting your fucking shit.
What did I do?
You're fucking. Take your shit.
What did I do?
Take your fucking
Fucking
log.
almost hit my shit. Go away.
Hey, which one of you dickheads stole my idea with the treehouse? You can't make a treehouse after I made the idea and scrapped it.
The fucking what? But it's so cool up here.
Let me up there, you,
Look, we got
I'm
a
gonna
little
destroy one of
lookout.
your
you
guys'
stupid bitch. What's going
What?
on?
Look out.
Wait, what are you doing?
What the fuck, dude?
Figured out a glitch.
What?
Yeah, he's been doing it for a while now.
Fucking Key just has a fucking, like a...
Oh, that's how you've been getting all your fucking wood.
Wait, how?
They're doing a fucking wood duplication glitch over here.
Are they actually?
Yes.
I literally
I'm
figured
not.
it out. Here. Okay.
Fucking bitch! Oh my god! I'm actually gonna die! Please! Please! Please!
And then put a stick like that, and then you walk right in front of it, and then it does that.
You're such a little bitch. You've been doing this the whole time without saying a damn thing. I saw you keep doing this over and over again. I was wondering, why do you keep tearing... Why every time I come by, why is it torn down? And then now I think about it, I never once saw you cut down a tree in your life. And then all of a
Literally-
sudden you have like 3 fucking houses you're never gonna use.
No, this is fucking Goat's house. This is my house.
Then what's that?
Aiden, can
my
you come do that
storage.
duplication
That's-
glitch over here?
That's Goat's fucking vacation home.
Yeah.
Man, you're gonna have to pay your wood tax now for that.
That's fine.
What?
Duplicate me some so I can finish my log
I
cam.
can't,
It's all,
yeah,
it's all I
yeah.
want. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a client sign. It's a client thingy.
I'm actually gonna quit this fucking game.
Yeah, god damn it, dude.
I've unironically stepped in that thing 3 times. Can I use these small ones?
You can no, it will not work.
That is not
could just use-
efficient.
You could just use the log. You could just use the logs I'm duping, bro.
Doubling? Is that what you call your crime?
Hey, I found out how to do this, so I'm fucking abusing
She's
this
eating me
shit.
somewhere. She just jumped in the fucking fire, dude. She's on fire.
Move that fire.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
What a rock
I'm
put her on the-
documenting your crimes, Key.
What a rock put her on the fire. Where is she leading me to, dude?
It's gonna leave you to like. It's gonna leave you to some like underground civilization.
Yeah, she's
gonna
gonna like
leave me,
take
a
him.
stick of uranium 357 or something. Like mutated with her.
Probably. Not really.
Oh!
You're a magnet! You're a fucking magnet, you bitch!
Did you do that on purpose?
No, it's
You're
been
putting it in
there.
common walkways!
Then blame Go! He fucking was putting the fucking things there.
Wait, what now? What happened?
Don't do that, only wood.
Why don't you just
And
throw
that
this
I just-
perfectly good wood piece over the edge, you little bitch? Take
Because
your
I
wood.
can dupe it and I don't need it. You fucking bitch. Yeet.
Dude, she has no toes for me. Just stubs.
God, stop it!
I'm gonna car bomb your house.
I'm gonna tree bomb your house.
Stop it! I will not dupe you anything.
Is that a threat, James? Are you threatening us? Caden, come in your house real quick.
It's not finished yet.
I know, but I want to show you something.
Master, will you show me,
You're
Master?
not gonna light my house. Is that a hand grenade?
Caden,
Oh,
that
no.
son of a bitch.
You didn't tell me to
You
not say
stupid-
anything.
You stupid bitch. You stupid piece of shit. I
You
hate
didn't
so much.
tell me to not tell anyone. Come on, you can't actually be mad at me. You didn't tell me to be quiet about it.
Don't blow up my
Dude!
fucking house.
He threw it at my house, it bounced off the wall and rolled downhill into his fucking boardwalk.
No.
Is it gone?
All the logs
No.
are spread out in the river.
No.
My fucking god.
He's just giving it to my house now.
You're not looking. I'm gonna split all your logs.
There's no way this mushroom's
At
good
least
for
keep
me.
one.
Oh god.
She gave me berries.
I think I ate the Mario mushroom.
Oh no.
I'm gonna start hallucinating hot bitches now. Oh no. Hot emo dommy mommy goth
Hot
bitches.
emo trans girls.
I hope I don't get pounced on in this forest by a goth mommy waitress at IHOP. With skin disease.
My Hey Curtis, we gotta go to Texas.
Why?
Where'd that come from?
So there's it's one it's
Oh my god, there's a
one
deer!
restaurant out of America. It's Hooters, but goth.
I have
girl
no
Hooters.
stamina.
Better yet, I found an even better restaurant.
Wait, you're telling me
earlier.
Texas has one?
There's a
Yeah,
there's
only-
a
there's only one.
restaurant. There's a restaurant somewhere on Earth called Biscuits and Corn.
Oh, I saw that.
Because I sent it to you.
I've seen it before you sent it to me.
Yeah,
I actually, believe it or not, I see a lot of memes before you send them to me.
And you just don't.
Stupid
send the-
fucking deer! You stupid bitch!
You killed it.
I just spit all
Now
over my
share it,
monitor.
Sentinel.
He's so cute without his internal organs.
Shut up.
Yummy.
Yo.
Man, if I can't find any real fucking animals, I'll just start eating the natives. Go full cannibal. Come here, bitch. Aw, shit.
Caden doesn't even fucking know.
What? I'm not home, so whatever you're doing.
I know.
Okay, I'm coming back. Dude. What? Oh, I thought you broke my fucking house and— Wait, what?! What?! My house! What happened?
Did you break his house?
Why
again?
did you break— Why? Why? I spent like literally 90% of my playtime doing this.
How did Curtis manage to do that?
He doesn't say anything.
I need wood.
What? Where's your— What?
I just need wood, bro. It's not that serious.
Fuck you, dick. You don't want to live in there anyway. Key, make me a
Alright.
house.
Okay.
I want something to call my own.
Yeah.
I was gonna bring home a deer so we could feast, but now I just don't trust you.
Yeah.
You're just
Alright,
lame.
let's go to
man.
bed real quick.
I have a new gay boyfriend. Hello, Key.
Oh yeah. I didn't want it there.
My God.
Oh shit! Did you take my spear from your chest? Can I have that back, please? Please?
So,
I'll even take it back in my head.
Alright, you guys want to go and get the zip line?
Thank you.
Yeah.
I have
I'm
like a
down.
hair of health left. Like you could just
Alright.
sneeze on me and I would die.
I can give you some meds if you want.
You had meds this whole fucking time.
I mean,
I need
save 'em,
food.
but-
Dude! What the fuck? Did you just shoot me with a gun?
Oh, God.
He actually died.
Is he gone?
Yes.
Oh wait. Oh, he got kidnapped. Oh fuck.
What? What do you mean I got kidnapped? Where am I? What
That
the
was
fuck?
quick. Did you have something to do with this three-legged girl?
You
She's
let this
sitting there
happen.
now.
You fool! I'm free! Oh my god. And I'm
we
still
go to hell?
starving, man.
Yo, you know what?
What
though?
the fuck?
Let's go kill them all. We would get a lot of heads for the spikes. Would we not?
I'm dead.
Okay, let's go and help him.
Did you get
We're
double
coming.
kidnapped?
Hey,
buddy.
Dude, Caden just had like one of those.
Fucking damn
You need to
it!
put Caden in, like, you need to put
I really
Caden in
just watched
test-
him one tap you from spawn.
Can I have those meds, goat?
Yeah, here.
And also food? Thank you.
Damn it! All three of their heads landed in the water
Were you
below.
about to give me a hug?
No. Stop moving! There you go. I gave you energy drink, energy bar, and meds.
And I'm gonna
that'll
eat all of it. I'm gonna come back home and drink the whole river. I'm gonna piss
Okay.
all over your walls.
Drink the fucking soda! Hayden, drink the soda! Please! Drink it!
I'm gonna drink the water. I'm saving.
Now! Drink it now! I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
I am starving to death.
Drink it.
I have a candy bar. Come to me.
Not fine. Don't fucking do it. It was gonna fucking make your water go all the way up.
I'm saving it. I'm gonna drink the river and then I'm gonna piss all over your walls.
I fucking hate you.
Why?
You're
saving resources.
You're not saving shit. You're just wasting.
I want to drink.
What do you mean I'm wasting?
I want to drink soda, James.
Hey, shit.
Sorry guys, there's no river. I drank it all and pissed it all on Key's walls.
And a hole. I like where this is going.
Is Curtis even coming?
I
Curtis,
love
are you
holes.
Doesn't look like it. Doesn't even look like it.
I
Curtis, are
love
you actually
holes.
coming or no?
Holes are
Here's
where
my
babies
brother.
are made. I am my game crashed.
Oh, she's biting
Okay.
me. I'm dead.
Should we go and get Curtis again?
I
Possibly.
guess. Can we mark this on
I-
the map?
I'm dead.
Now fucking come over to me.
You didn't get it?
Because I want to explore this
Oh,
thing.
you have it.
I need another one.
Curtis! Fuck!
And
Hit him and run.
Jesus Christ!
I died.
Did you really just...
You're not serious.
Oh my
Caden,
god, I
and guess
really
what,
want to
Caden?
explore...
Hey, Caden, guess what, Caden? I asked for food, and you came back and fucking gave me a spear. Since to give me not what I needed, and I'm let me die from some fucking.
Curtis, I don't give a fuck. Run to me.
I'm giving you
I
candy!
can't run.
Oh.
Where candy is?
Stop moving! Please. Fucking no! No!
No.
Okay. Guess we're doing this alone.
No,
Okay.
please, I need content.
Alright, let's go.
I need content.
You guys
Come
are
over
gonna
here
die
and help!
No, you guys are gonna die and cut yourself out. Hold E. Hold E. Hold fucking E.
No.
I'm gonna suck you off in like a Wendy's parking lot.
Good.
Caden, get me.
What do you mean, get me? Get yourself!
Caden, I don't have a knife. You can get me.
Do you actually not?
I actually do not have a
Fucking!
I'm
I'm gonna save you, and I need you to just beat on his ass. I don't know how to save you.
Okay, I'll just take myself out.
You do have a knife, you silly fucking goose.
You silly
Kill it!
motherfucking
It's one dude. It's one guy.
Really die again?
I love how the music is playing.
I feel like we make a tent outside because when we get here,
He's fucking spawn
nighttime.
camping.
Yeah. How about that? Yeah. Let's make a tent outside.
Let's actually no, we got time for a whole base, honestly. Like
You just backhanded me. Okay, let's go to them.
Oh my god.
Wait. No, with me.
Do you need a candy bar still? Actually, I need it.
Shut the fuck up, you bitch! Shut up! You fucking bitch! You always bark! Shut up! Shut the fuck up!
Did you give me
You
candy?
fucking sausage
I ate my
ass
only-
motherfucker! You're a virgin! Fuck.
He just took it like a champ, dude. Right in your fucking brain. What the? I'm picking you up. Kill him.
I'm dead.
Kill.
I'm dead already.
I'm gonna
Oh,
fucking
are you
come,
watching
dude.
this?
no, what?
He's like Iron Man. It's like
I'm watching what
Native
is on
American
the
Iron Man. Oh my god, he actually
I
died.
got him.
You
my
didn't get
God.
shit. I'm here, guys. Hi.
Okay, where the fuck is Kurt? Dude!
Yeah,
Where's
let
the
me drink
nade?
some Wawa.
Run, Caden.
What the fuck? Key!
I didn't have enough time to run!
Why?
Help!
The fuck
Billy!
just happened out there?
He
Billy, help!
dropped a
Being attacked
grenade
by
at his
spider
feet.
monkey.
Billy, help!
I dropped.
I'm
I
coming
dropped
out. What happened?
Did you just
Spider
refresh?
monkey.
Did you just fucking refresh? C-Seg, did you just fucking refresh?
No.
Yeah, he got
Yes, you
captured.
did. Oh my fucking, I hate you.
That was not
Oh,
my
it is.
fault.
It is dark. as
You
shit
held
here.
E.
You dropped a grenade for no
You
reason.
held E.
I did.
It is
And
dark
you
as shit.
pressed mouse 1 with a hand grenade.
Yeah,
Why?
because I hate you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Gay.
God damn it! Alright, let's explore!
Yay!
Yay, yay! Took fucking 10 minutes!
Please tell me I can. Oh, I can
Please
just
don't
switch.
tell me it's a sled.
It's a sled? I would love a sled.
Those things cost 1,000 each! You dumbass!
He just
My
fucking
God.
snapped.
Oh, I want my sled.
1,000 each, dude.
It looks like a baby
Water
carrot.
canteen.
Is that a flask? Yes.
Okay,
I think it was a good investment, Kurt.
Wait, there's still extra stuff. Can we make extra?
you're still making fucking shit? It's not even yours! It's not even your fucking shit now! You fucking already used it! I hate you.
Ooga booga.
I hate you
Grappling
so
hook?
much.
Can we use grappling hooks?
Wait, how are you doing that? I actually have no idea.
Fuck you. Here, I'll
He
make you
made a
one.
mask. See this number? See this fucking number? This is what you guys have. Curtis had 1,000. He put 1,000 in here and fucking made a sled. All of his shit went to a sled. One sled.
I'm out of piss juice.
You're gonna put that fucking piss juice in. If you're out, you're out.
How do I do that? How do I
Oh,
fill
to
the piss
fucking 3D
container?
printer. 3D printer. You're empty.
All right, boys, you
You
ready to go?
wasted it. You fuck.
I got a mask.
Yes.
I love the sequential beeping.
Yeah, because it's out. Ah,
He made a sled. We need those.
he's making more shit.
You stole whatever I just made.
God.
What are you making now, Kurt? Are you making a mask for me, Kurt?
That would make sense.
Kurt,
Yeah.
I have an item that I do not wish to share with these people.
Is it the sled?
Come on. Please.
There's still
Where are we
things to be
going?
made down here, Key.
Yeah, I swear to God, I'm going to leave this fucking server if we don't fucking go.
Come here, James. Come here, James.
Hang on.
James, I'm making something for you. Come here. Come here.
What the fuck?
Oh
Dude,
my God.
the roof.
There's sprinklers.
Yeah, we 3D printed
Okay.
sprinklers.
James, come in here. Come in here.
God.
No, come on.
Can't be safe,
Dude,
can't
we
be-
have
here,
some.
I wanna show you
Okay,
something.
let's go.
Key, we made
We
something
have
for you.
something for you.
We literally
Go
used
in.
our resources to make something for you.
You know what that is, isn't it? You know what it is.
It's like impossible to tell.
Oh my God. I already know what it is.
We
Come
only
on.
need 900 more resin.
You fucking idiot.
I'm not wasting my 800
of-
resin.
Out of everything you could have made.
Okay, they're dead.
There's a bed down there. We can just sleep down there. Fuck that. Y'all have fun. I'm going down here where it's safe.
I hate
I love going down here.
I hate you. I've been in here so many fucking times. I am now fucking despising this place. I hate this place. I am
Bro, there's somebody
despising
down
it.
here.
There's a bed in the corner.
What's down here?
Dude, look, there's somebody down here.
Oh my God, there actually is. What the fuck?
You do not want to fuck with that
There
guy.
is.
Oh!
Go, Keenan!
What the
Let's get out of here. They're chasing towards us. Yeah, go. Oh,
Why is it
fuck.
here? There was nothing down here. Maybe he's friendly.
Yeah, friendly.
He's friendly, Key.
We'll call that friendly.
Come
He
pet
wants
him.
to eat you with his fucking rib cage.
No, I'm dead.
You just throw a blade at him.
Go, 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 go! Why is he so fast, though?
Key's dead. He just lunged at like light speed.
Okay, you actually gotta revive me because if I die,
All right, wait. I'll kill him with a pistol. Give me a second.
Okay, I'm gonna lead him away because I have nothing to lose. Wait,
Oh my-
wait, I have C4 bricks.
don't.
Oh.
I have a gun. I can just shoot him in the head a few times. See if that works.
Just run and fucking run past him. Run past him.
What do you mean run past him? Oh, you pissed him off. You're pissing him off.
He just ain't dying, bruh. Just fucking die.
Jump
already.
attack!
Damn, boy.
Bitch!
Help! Help me! Help me!
All right, you get him and I'll get him.
Fuck.
I'm looting
Jesus
his-
Christ. No,
He's
fuck
like
around
shaking
and
his
find
head
out,
no.
eh?
Fuck.
But
Some
no.
God.
fucking trash bag.
Let's
He's
sleep
teeth
now.
all the way down to the dick.
Honestly, I don't even think we can do this fucking tunnel with all you guys that we're about to fucking go.
Wait, what's going on?
Tunnel.
Blocking me, you fat bitch.
If you want a fucking grappling hook, you better fucking follow me.
I
Hang on, I'll
can't.
be right back.
I can't.
Hang on, I'll be right back.
Out of all places. Of all fucking places. God!
What the?
I'm about to put my anger out on you.
Why? Why? I didn't do anything. Guys, we're gonna die here. What did you? What is that? Is that a dart gun?
No, it's a taser.
Oh, it's a taste. How did you make one? Why are you killing me?
Because I wanted to see how much it did.
What the fuck did I just hear from that direction?
He literally went AFK in the middle of a fucking door.
You really can't push him?
No, I even tried killing him.
Can't-
This is all a bit, 100%.
I don't know. Kurt's the realest guy I know.
Go fuck yourself.
Wait. I think we're actually pushing it.
About-
Curtis! You fucking dumbass! Why the
What?
fuck did you decide that? I'm gonna go AFK right in front of the fucking door!
Dude, there was cookies upstairs.
I don't give a fuck.
Bruh.
You went AFK
That wasn't
in
a.
the fucking middle of a door.
Kurt, that wasn't
You walked
actually a
through
bit.
me.
You dumbass.
No, I actually got myself cookies.
Fucking dingleberry, dude. You fucking waste this fucking space. Come on, let's go.
Imagine we come back up and it's still fucking night because we wasted an
I-
entire day.
Literally.
We spent
I
It
would've
so-
is like halfway through the day. I'm not gonna
What a
lie.
waste of time.
God.
I think you're being a little hostile, Key. I think
I don't
we
give a fuck.
need to turn that notch all the way down.
All right, right now you're at a 5. You need to be at
It's
you
like
need to be at a 1.
it's like fucking telling me to stop fucking having a boner while I'm staring at fucking pairs of boobs. It's not gonna fucking work. You
Boobs.
fucking bitch.
What you mean, dicks?
All right, here's the next fucking item.
Dude, our half of the village is just a goddamn disappointment.
That's because we don't have a wood duplication.
You fucking broke the only thing that was built.
Dude, why do you always bring that up? Oh, damn.
What? You know
Go
what?
fuck.
You know what? Goat, your treehouse looks stupid.
What?
Just bring him into this.
What? Oh, you know what? I was gonna say, why is it
You brought it to this all over. Okay. You know, I have a good question now. Where the fuck is Kevin?
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't think I've seen Kevin in a good like 3 fucking days now. He just him to fend for himself somewhere.
I completely forgot what I. Walk with me for a second. I'll tell you a little story as I take you to him.
You guys killed him, didn't you?
Or, no. Come here, goat. Come here. See, when I first joined, right, and I was talking about him, and I found him pretty goofy. You're looking at the wrong
person.
dude.
You're wrong person.
Come on, process of elimination. So over here, when I was fucking with the commands with him, I selected hide here and stay hidden. I will tell him to stay.
No, I will literally shove him back.
And
Is he still there?
he's somewhere
Oh
here.
my God.
He was
Where the
here.
fuck? He's sitting here in a bush over here.
Where? Wait.
He's just picking berries. Hiding. And he's bloody as fuck. It looks like, oh my God, he's almost dead.
Oh yeah.
God.
I told
Look
him.
at him.
I told him to stay hidden.
He got beat to fuck and just couldn't hear a damn thing. He couldn't hear all the trees falling over here, all the process of the building. He's gonna come over here and be like, when did all this happen?
Yeah, when I was experimenting with the commands, I told him to stay hidden.
You fucking dumbass.